How's it going, everybody? We're going to take a walk around Flat Nuts, a 2007 Biesemeyer K-boat. Flat Nuts was painted by Brian Wilcox at Lefties in Ukaipa, and also he did the AZ numbers also. Really great job, good dude. Also rides on a 2007 competitive trailer. We're actually getting ready to go to Parker Strip tomorrow for a day run. It's got a blown and injected big block Chevy running on avgas, making about 900 to 1,000 horse, depending on the tune. Built by Jay over at East Valley Performance Machine in Grand Junction, Arizona. It's got 43 gears in the gearbox. Had some feet rests made by Nick Valor at Mad Skills Fab in Pomona. Also had some custom pieces over here made by Dana Bottomley at Sweet Performance. It's got a big and ugly fuel injector on it, set up by Jim and James over there at Good Vibrations. Hit them up. It's got a 25-gallon IMCO fuel cell. I got a puke tank on the back here. This is my first K-boat, so I'm still getting used to it. Had some wiring done by Josh and Troy over at Jet Boat Garage. They also did my tack. Had some other parts done by Bergeron. Estimated speed's about 120, 130, somewhere in there. Me being a newbie, I'm not even close to running it that fast yet. But eventually, hopefully we'll get there. It's got MSD mag on it, 871 blower shop blower billet. It's got Brodex heads, it's Brodex block. What else we got? De-stroked Eagle crank in it. It's got Corilla rods, JE pistons. And it's just a pretty fun little boat. You know, got our pedals here, foot pedals. Cab plate springs over there. And you know, the back of the boat here, cab plates and all that good stuff. A lot of stuff going on. Pretty intimidating, actually. Got the battery there, nice battery holder, fuel pump and system there. Anyways, if you have any questions, I can try and answer them. Like I said, I am new to this game, so just out here to have some fun. Anyways, see you guys later. Bye.